Hi friends, how are you all doing? Hope you're doing wonderful. Happy Easter to you all, to all those that celebrate Easter. Hope you had a wonderful Easter celebration and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another fake unboxing. As you can tell from my title of the video, it is a Chanel unboxing from eBay. Oh my goodness, yes. I did this. What made me decide to go ahead and buy a Chanel bag from eBay? Let's find out. Well, I've always wanted this Chanel bag, especially when I saw it on Style by Shishi. I'm pretty sure for all the luxury lovers, you probably know who Style by Shishi is. She's on Instagram and on TikTok. So I do follow her, and she did the unboxing of this Chanel 22 bag. This was sometime in 2023 or 2024. So since then, I've always had my eye on it. And last year, I went to the boutique to inquire about it and come to find out that this particular Chanel 22 Mini is actually a limited edition. And even though this Chanel 22 Mini is now a classic and they have it all the time, this particular one with the pearls did not make it to the classical to the classics. It's a limited edition version, so they did not have it. But they did have the regular one without the pearls that she did show me. So I wasn't really interested in that, and I decided to go ahead and purchase the backpack. That was when I bought my beige Chanel backpack. So come this year, I still was craving this bag. I don't know why. I still wanted it because I was actually thinking of getting the Chanel 22 in the, I think the small version. And I was like, you know what? I still like the mini version with the pearls better. So let me go ahead and see if I can find it on the secondary market. And ta-da! eBay definitely had one. So before I purchased on eBay, I went ahead to check other resellers like Rebag. Rebag had the same particular bag. eBay, one of the sellers had it. So many sellers had it on eBay, but there was one of them that I was interested in because she had the receipt from this boutique where she purchased it from. And come to find out that the receipt that she posted actually had an address on that. Yikes, yes. So I had to message the seller that, hey, I'm really interested in your bag. And I do see that your address is on the receipt and everything. So she took out the picture that had the Chanel receipt on there. So I was like, what's the lowest price you're willing to go on the bag? So she did knock off a few $100s, and which I was grateful for. So I told her that when I'm ready to purchase the handbag, I will reach out to her again. Hopefully it's still available. So Rebag, like I said, also had the bag, but the pictures Rebag had, it had a little bit of wear on there. So I was like, you know what? It was a little bit more expensive than the one on eBay after the seller took out the little discount for me. So I reached out to the seller and made an offer, but she did not accept the offer. I think she probably forgot who I was. So I had to send her a message. Hey, remember me? I made an offer for the price that you had said you were willing to go lower. And she was like, oh, yeah, I should just go ahead and make that. She was going to go ahead and lower the price so I could purchase it for that price. So which she did. And I went ahead to purchase it. So why did I buy from her? I bought from her because, like I said, she had the receipt on there and everything. But still, I would advise anyone purchasing from eBay, definitely do your due diligence check. eBay does come with authenticity guaranteed for a lot of their luxury purchases. So that is also very nice. So after making the purchase, the seller shipped it to eBay where they did the authenticity check. And after I passed the authenticity check, they sent it out to me. And let's go ahead and unbox this. So it comes in the box. I guess this is the eBay box where it says authenticity guaranteed. And the bag came full set. Now, full set means the original box, the dust bag, the receipt, and the tag. The receipt was not sent out. I guess she wasn't comfortable sending that out. But like I said, I did see the picture of the receipt. So I was okay with that. let me go ahead and put this box away because I usually bump into stuff anyway. So this is the box it comes in. So I want you to comment below, guys, based on your first impression of this bag. Do you think it's the real deal, or do you think I got the fake stuff? Comment below, please. I want to hear your thoughts. So let's go through and let's see what your first impression will be. So this is the original box that it comes in. And on the side, it has the Mini 22 black pearls, the name of the bag. And when you open it, this is exactly the type of boxes that my Chanel handbag comes in. So I already know that this is good. This is the tissue that it comes in. It has the Chanel sticker on there. And on the tissue, it has Chanel written all over it. So eBay usually have, once they do the authenticity check, they usually ship it in their own dust bag. Even though this bag came with its own dust bag. Let's go ahead and put this away, the bag, and go through what's in the box. Now, this is the original dust bag, like I said. And it did come with the camellia, the ribbon, and the booklet, the Chanel booklet. And in here is just like layers of tissue paper that is just used to protect the, I guess, the bottom of the box. So what is your first impression so far? Did I get the fake or did I get the real deal? Let me know, please. I would love to hear your thoughts. And also, let me know your thoughts. Will you purchase from eBay? Even though you know that they do go through the authenticity checks and everything. Let me know your thoughts regarding that, okay? So again, this is what the box looks like. I'll put this aside. Now let's get to the good stuff. So this is the dust bag that eBay usually would send it in. So open it up. And of course, this is not the actual unboxing. It's just a fake unboxing because I already opened this up and I actually did my own. When I got the bag, I opened it up right away to make sure everything checks out because you don't want to purchase a bag that you see online through the pictures. It is authentic or whatever. I mean, I know if it wasn't authentic, eBay wouldn't have sent it to me. But I wanted to make sure it was exactly the same handbag I saw in the pictures that I got shipped to me. And that's another thing too, of course, eBay looks at too, you know. So make sure it was the same bag. Obviously, it was the same bag. So this is the eBay tissue. It has eBay written all over it too. Okay, guys, this is my Chanel Mini 22. This is such a gorgeous bag. I love this bag, especially with the pearl details. Okay, so what's your first impression looking at this bag? If you look at the Chanel letters, it has this, I think it's called etching. On the letters, it has this little etching thing on there. And the pearl details, beautiful. Look at the side of it. The medallion has the Chanel CC Paris. This side as well. The bottom of the bag. And the back. This is what it looks like. Now, keep in mind, this is a crinkled leather type and it has the shiny look to it. I did go ahead and stuff it with the bubble wrap because without the stuffing, it's just, it looks a little bit flat. And as we all know, it's always good to keep our handbags stuffed to give it that, to keep its structure, okay? So this is the opening of the bag. It is a drawstring. Well, I wouldn't really say drawstring. You can actually pull this like that, like so, to kind of keep it closed. A lot of people don't like this bag because it has no actual closure. So the only way you can kind of keep it closed is by, you know, pulling this. When you pull it, it pulls a little bit. It pulls a little bit. And when it's all stuffed, you can't really see, I mean, you can see the inside, but it's a little bit better. So a lot of people say, for the amount of money you pay for this bag, it should have some type of closure mechanism. But hey, it doesn't. Do I hate it? No, I still like it. And I'm glad I was able to get it in this condition. Now, when the seller listed this bag, she said she used it only once. And I do believe that because this bag has very minimal signs of wear. It actually looks brand new to me. I don't know what you guys think. Looks really brand new. Okay, the only sign of wear that I can tell is just in this bag. And that's very inevitable, okay? It's a crinkle type of leather, so it will have a little bit of creasing. Now, the other ones that I saw on Rebag and other reseller websites had a lot of creasing on there. So I could tell it had a lot of wear to it. So that was another reason why I really wanted to buy this bag. So obviously when I got it, I inspected it. It definitely felt like a real Chanel bag to me. But I still wanted to have it authenticated through another third party. I used Legit Grails. A lot of YouTubers use Legit Grails as well to authenticate their luxury handbag purchases. And for the price they were offering, I think it was $25 that I paid. And within 12 hours, they'll let you know if it did pass the authenticity check. Obviously, this handbag came back and it passed the authenticity check. So I was excited about that. And even before I used the authenticity check with Legit Grails, I knew it was the real deal. So comment below and let me know if you thought that as well. So we can go in and look at the inside of the bag. Let me pull this apart. Comes with a leather strap and also comes with a chain strap. Got the details on the chain strap. Another thing too is this also is heavy. It has some weight to it. And on the inside, we have the actual tag of this bag. It says Chanel 23S. And then on the back, it has the price tag. Now, I paid just a little bit over retail on this bag. I know. Every website that I've seen this particular handbag, this particular style, it has been above retail. Now, I think I paid, let's say, $200 above retail. The seller initially had it $700 above retail, but when I had asked her for the discount, she was willing to come down, and I paid just $200 above retail. I was willing to do that because I really wanted this bag, and in the condition it came with, I was very, very excited. Now, let's look at the tag. Well, no, it is a chipped bag. So it comes with a chip like that. And the inside of the bag also looks very clean. Not sure if you're able to see the inside of this handbag. But yeah, the inside is very clean. It's in pristine condition. I'm happy about the purchase. So I'll go ahead and put this all away. And I think that's it for the unboxing and the reveal of my Chanel bag from eBay. Guys, I'm happy that you're here. My returning subscribers, thank you for always watching my videos. Thanks for tuning in. If you are new to my channel, I say welcome. To my new subscribers, I say welcome, and I'm happy that you're here. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. It means a lot to me. So much so that I'm doing a giveaway. Once I hit 1,000 followers on YouTube, I'll be giving away this Gucci toiletry bag. As you can see, it still has the tag on there. And I purchased this bag initially for myself. And I decided to give this bag away once I hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. So we're getting closer. Well, I'm gonna keep the hope alive. We're getting closer. We will get there eventually, and when that happens, I'll do the giveaway official video announcement. So thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much for keeping up with me, even though I haven't been posting as much as I should have. I have so much to share with you guys. I see your comments, guys. Some of you have asked me to do a handbag collection, in which I am definitely working on. I think my next few videos will be my handbag collection. I'll do a Bottega Veneta collection and then followed by probably a Chanel collection so you guys can see. So I see the comments. I'm not ignoring you all, and it will be coming. So please continue to stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Like I said, it means a lot to me that you're here. Have a blessed and wonderful week ahead. Until next time, bye-bye.